Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace radiator on Jeep Cherokee, full guide. First, park on level ground and let the engine cool completely. Drain coolant into a suitable container and dispose of it responsibly. Remove the radiator cap, then disconnect hoses and electrical connectors. Label parts and take photos for reassembly. Keep new clamps and coolant nearby. Take your time to avoid spills and cross-threading and check for leaks after refill. Start by removing the fan shroud and upper hose so you have clear access to the radiator area. Carefully unbolt mounting brackets and support points, keeping hardware organized for reinstallation. If your model has transmission cooler lines, be prepared to catch fluid and cap lines to prevent contamination. Gently free the radiator from the condenser and fans, then lift it straight up to avoid bending nearby components. Inspect surrounding parts for wear while accessing the area. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair videos. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth is a fun read that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with doing budget repairs yourself. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and parts. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement radiator into position and secure all mounting bolts snugly without over-tightening. Reconnect lower and upper hoses, clamps, and any electrical connections, ensuring proper seating and no twists in hoses. Reattach the fan shroud if removed, then refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture. Start the engine and run at idle to circulate coolant, checking for leaks and monitoring temperature. Bleed air pockets until the gauge reads stable and no bubbles appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.